Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So in today's video I'm working on a 2005 Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 2500, and on this one I'm changing the glow plugs on it. So I just got the first glow plug out, and I'm gonna show you the steps that I used, because this is a very simple job and it can be very frustrating as well. So stay with me and I'll show you how I did this job and how it's gonna be easy for you too. Don't go nowhere. Don't forget to like and subscribe as well. Peace. So these are the tools you're gonna need for the job. You need a 10mm and extension. That's what I got right here. And also you need a ratchet. It could be long, it could be short, depending on what you got. And also you need some penetrating oil. So I have a PB Blaster penetrating oil right here. You need a needle nose plier. Not too long, a little bit long, but it's okay. And also a flashlight. Yeah, so it's a very simple job, but these glow plugs are very fragile, so they can easily break off. So what I did was I started the truck and left it running for about 45 minutes to get to the required temperature, and I shut it off and I break loose all the 5 glow plugs. So it has 5 cylinders and 5 glow plugs. So I break loose all 5 glow plugs and spray some PB Blaster on it and left it for about 20 minutes so it can soak and go inside the threads. And now the 25 minutes is over, so all the PB Blaster is soaked in and the threads are loose. So I'm gonna go ahead and take it off one after the other. I already took the first one out, so I have 4 more glow plugs in the engine. So stay with me and let's take it out so we can put a new one in. Okay, so now all the 5 glow plugs are out, and as you can see they look very corroded and rusty. So it was very important that I heated the motor up, and also I sprayed some penetrating oil so it could make it easy to come up. because this could easily break off and the motor will be in a mess. So I got a 5 new glow plugs here. This is from the dealer. You can see the part number on it. This is the part number right here. It's a Mercedes-Benz part. So that's the original part. And this is how it looks compared to the old one. So this is the brand new one. And I'm gonna get all 5 ready and also clean the engine a little bit. Make sure there is no dust in the tread, because when the dust go in the tread, it's gonna make it a little tight to go in. So it has to be free from dust so the tread can easily go in. And also when you threading this up and it get a little tighter when it's going in, make sure you back it up and try and clean the threads and try again, because when thread dust go in there, it's gonna make it a little difficult for you. So stay with me and let's do this. Alright, so now all the 5 glow plugs are in and tight. So actually I couldn't find the right torque spec for this because I didn't find one. But this don't have to be too tight because it's just a glow plug and it's very fragile, like I said. So it has to be tight but not too tight. So when you tighten it and you feel it's tight, you don't have to go further because it might break and you'll be in a deep mess. So the glow plugs are in and tight. I'm gonna go ahead and install the wires that goes on the glow plugs. The wires is just push to lock, so you just push it down and it locks. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and install the 5 glow plug wires, then we'll be good to go. All right, let's do this. Okay, so now all the glow plug wires is in and the job is done finally. So I'm gonna have to go ahead and reset the check engine light and also start the truck. So this is glow plug number 1 right here. Glow plug number 2 is down here, it's plugged in. Number 3 is plugged in. Number 4 is plugged in, and number 5 is plugged in. So it's all plugged in and tight. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and reset the check engine light and also start the truck and take you for a test drive. All right, let's do this. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Peace. Okay, now the truck is running and it sounds a little better than before. Before it was sounding a little dull, but now it's sounding like it got more life. So the job is done and it was successful. So I'm gonna take it for a test drive right now. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. I'm out. Peace.